Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Santongo Barak and this is Home Battery Solutions. If you are new here, you can kindly subscribe and enable the notification bell so that you get all my videos when I upload. So in this video guys, today I'm going to show you how we are going to repair a battery cell which has been already repaired, but again it didn't work. So I'm going to replace it with another one and we'll see how it will work again. So kindly follow this video and you'll see how I'm going to do it. So guys, this is the battery that I'm going to repair today. This, as you are seeing, this cell we repaired it earlier some months ago, but it didn't work. But so we're going to try to replace it. We put another one. I'm going to remove it from this old battery. In most cases, we normally recondition these batteries using the already using some other cells from another battery, like this one. If it doesn't work anymore on a vehicle, or maybe it has only one cell that is dead, so we remove the cell which is still working and we put it in this other battery that we are repairing. So I'm going to remove this cell, and I also cut this one. We check the cell that is working and we put it this one, and again works it properly. So again, guys, keep following and you see how I'm going to repair it. I beg you can kindly comment and tell me about the videos that you want me to make. Tell me about the experience you've got. Tell me how you can improve your skills, and we discuss. So kindly follow the video guys, and you see how I'm going to work out this battery. As you're seeing, I'm cutting the already repaired cell, which we are going to replace with another cell from the other battery that I showed you, and then after we see how it will work, maybe like other batteries. So kindly guys, keep following and keep liking my videos, keep commenting and share them to your friends, so that you spread the message and the skills to other people. As I told you earlier, that this video this channel rather, we made it just to share knowledge and work experience for those who are people who may be there without having work. You can follow these videos and maybe you can learn the skills of repairing batteries and you use it to make money as well.
zangu.